going on, YouTube people of the world? Thanks for coming back and checking out my video. Cack and Ball is the name of the channel. Old school car audio, or old school Rockford Fosgate is basically the subcategory that I have this under. These aren't old school. I'm going to put them under the old school just because it is Rockford Fosgate. These I picked up off of eBay, and I don't remember how much I paid for them. I think I paid what one set of these cost brand new. I got all three of them for, and not even that. It was even less than that. These videos are actually being made a little bit late because of the coronavirus scare going on. Right now, at this point in time, anything that I buy, it sits out in my garage for a couple days before I open it. So, anyways, we'll get into this here. I want to make sure I'm not going to cut into anything. So we'll go not quite all the way through. Open these up, take a look here. No sort of packing material, they're just kind of thrown in there. So, always look inside your packages, because you never know. If you buy from a collector, you may get extra stuff thrown in there. This is like a thank you sometimes. So always check those out. These are the braided RCA connectors from Rockford Fosgate. These I picked up because I was debating on whether or not I wanted to go old school or new school in my install. And, you know, I have a bunch of RCA cables to choose from. And my dilemma that I keep going back and forth on is the newer stuff better than the older stuff? So are these RCA cables really better than like the old Gamma or the Riot type RCA cables? I don't have any available on hand right now to compare to, but I mean, these things are like 30, 35 bucks brand new just for a set. I believe these are so these are directional, and I think they're the 16 or 17 feet. I'm not 100% sure. But, like, are these RCA cables going to be that much better than cables that are from, let's say, like, the late 90s? Who knows? So, but I got these, picked these up, thought I'd make a quick video about them. I'm going to do a little bit of research and see. I need to test these. Always test your RCA cables with, like, a voltometer or a multimeter just to make sure that they're still good. And, yeah. That's about it.